Hi, I'm Amber with WTI, and if you are looking for a great snack for on the go, this is going to be it. So this chocolate mint good to go keto bar, these are delicious. So when you open it up here, you'll see it's kind of like a brownie texture, and there's these little bite-sized pieces. So if you decide you only want to have one little piece, you can just break off one little piece. So it's primarily chocolate flavor with a tiny, tiny hint of mint. So that is a very common with all these keto bars for Good To Go brand. They have a tiny hint of flavor to them. So these are really awesome because they're gluten-free, they're vegan, they're keto certified, there's non-GMO, so you know that you're eating good, healthy food. There's 12 grams of plant-based fat and 5 grams of protein. So this has a little bit of protein so that it's gonna tide you over till you can actually eat something healthy. You're not gonna eat this as a meal replacement. You're gonna eat it as a snack to get you to your actual meal to make sure that you fuel your body properly. I love to take these everywhere I go. There's always one in my bag. At work, they're in my drawer, and I just love them. And that is my point of view.